I'm going to show you how to create the cover page. Before I start the task 7 insert page break, I would like to roughly explain to you, give a concept what is the page break. Right, a page break start a new page and used to place the next item of the text at the top of the next page. Now please take note that the breaks, right, separate two pages and they never met each other. What do you mean by that? I will show it to you. Okay, now insert page break, right, before the first paragraph. Okay, there are two methods. I'm going to show you how to insert the page break. Go to the documents, right, before go to the documents, right, put the cursor before the introductions, and you go to insert, where you can see there's a page break, or you go to the layout, right, go to the break, there are page break, there are section break. So what you need to do is to select page, and you have created a blank page, a new blank page on the very first page. Right, now the next thing is that I would like you to do is that go to the home, right, and on the middle of the ribbon here, right, where you can see there's a symbol, right, it's indicate that show and hide, right, format, it's a formatting symbol. I'd like you to click on it, where you can see that there's a page break mark here, right, and you can see that there's a lot of symbols. What is all these symbols representing? Is representing the format. Okay, now this is the return symbol. If you press enter, right, you can see that there's a symbol, right, being created. Right, this is basic the symbol of the enters, right, or returns, right, symbols. Now I'd like you to put the cursor before the page break. Okay, now how to remove the page break? What you need to do is, right, putting the cursor on the before the page break and press the delete buttons, and you will remove the page break. Now again, I like to show you how to insert the page break. This time we'll use the another methods. Go to insert, go to page break, and you have inserted a blank page here. You can see that, right, and put your cursor in front of the page break. What you need to do for the task is, right, task number 8, insert the logos, root trainer logo JPEG. Okay, go back to the documents, go to insert and select pictures, go to your tutorials files, the folders, right, which is inside the documents, where I place it, and select the documents and words folders, and there is a logo red trainer JPEG, and I insert it. Now, right, you can see that beautiful. Now, I'm going to explain to you what do you mean by the breaks, right, separate two pages and they never met. They never meet. Now, if I press enter, right, press enter, you can see that the page, right, the upper page will never meet each others. Right, always create a blank page. They will never meet each other. The content of the page break, right, will never meet each other on the following content page. We are going to do a delete. Right. I could insert the title, Road Trainer Internationals, and make the font style areas, text size to be 72 points. Go back to the documents, inserted the Road Trainer Internationals. I highlight the text, change it to Arial fonts. Yes, like the Arial fonts and change it to 72 points. So you can find that 72 may be too big, right? And adjust the font size, 48. That look nicer. Now I'm going to off the show and hide format symbol. Below the title, I'm going to add the subtitle, Plan for the Futures. Make sure that font style right is Arial and 24 points, right align, and italic. Pressing the Enter key, right, Plan for the Futures, right, insert the Plan for the Futures subtitle, right align. So you go to the home, go to the paragraph, right, and select align right. And 24 points, and select Command key, italic. Change it to now make sure that the header and footer do not appear on the cover page, but they are displayed on all other pages. So when you need to go to all these settings, right, go to the header, footer tools, and select, right, and check on the different first page. Go back to the documents, right. You can see that we don't want this header, right, Road Trainer Internationals, right, and the date, and the footer here, address, to be appear on the cover page. So what you need to do is, right, just double click on the header, and you see that the ribbon tab here, header and footer tools, right, design will be appear and highlighted. So what you need to do is just check on, click on the different first page, right. The footer and the header on the first page, on the cover page, will disappear, but, right, but the rest of the pages still appear, the header and footer. And you just close the header and footer.